Hello, math learners. Welcome to the Math Learning Lab, where math becomes clear, exciting, and yes, even fun. Today, I will walk you through all the different ways to multiply. So, let's get started. So, there are four ways to do multiplication: distributive property, area model, standard algorithm, partial products. Distributive property. I break down the steps into the three steps. So, let's do it. Break the one number into two parts. You can do two or three depending on your choice. Step 2, multiply each part by second number. Step 3, add all the products and you have your answer. So let's do one example following these steps along. Let's calculate 12 times 15. So first step, as I mentioned, decided to split this number into two parts. 10 and 2. Multiply each part by second number. So 10 times 15 and 2 times 50. So 10 times 15 is 150, 2 times 15 is 30, and add these two products, you will have the answer. 150 plus 30 is 180. You can check your answer. Many of you thinking, why 12? Why not 15? We can do 15 as well. Let's try. We will get the same answer or not. So first step, decide to split the number 15 into two parts, 10 and 5. Multiply each part by the second number. So 10 times 12 and 5 times 12. 10 times 12 is 120, 5 times 12 is 60. Add them together and you will have 180. See, we have the same answer. Now, there are various ways to split your number. Not necessary that it has to be the closest to the tens or hundreds. You can think of any way. For example, if I want to do 12 times 15, you can do 6 plus 6, you can do 7 plus 5, you can do 9 plus 3, whatever is the most convenient for you to split. And follow the rest of the steps same and you will have your answer. For example, 12 times 15 and I decided to split 12 into 9 and 3. So 9 times 15, 3 times 15. So 9 times 15, I have 135, 3 times 15, 45, and add them together, I have 180. Whatever the strategy you try, you will have the same answer. Area model or the box method. Pictorial representation of distributive properties area model for me. So step 1, partition the number into tens and ones depending on your choice. Represent these number on the sides of the table. Multiply those values, or you can say calculate the area of each rectangle and add all the areas, you will have the sum. For example, here they are doing 26 times 42. So it decided to split 26 as a 20 and 6, 42 as a 40 and 2. Area of a rectangle 40 times 20 is 800, 40 times 6 is 240, 2 times 20 is 40, and 2 times 6 is 12. Add them all 800, 240, 40, and 12. I have 1092. Let's try another problem using the area model. 35 times 27. Just wondering how many rectangles you should make. So just two, because I decide to split 35 into two parts, 27 into two parts. So I have 2 times 2 is of 4 rectangles. 35 is 30 and 5. If you want, you can do 15 and 20, depending on your choice again. 27 is 20 and 7. So area of a rectangle with whose side lengths are 30 and 20 is 30 times 20 is 600, 30 times 7 is 210, 20 times 5 is 100, and 7 times 5 is 35. Add them all, you have 945. Whenever needed, pause a video and take a note. For example, for this problem, try the same problem using the distributive property and check whether are you getting the same answer as me or not. Standard algorithm. Let's understand the standard algorithm. Multiply using the example 37 times 62. Step 1, stack them on the top of each other as follows or as shown in the slides. Start by multiplying top digit by the digit on the ones place at the bottom. So here 37 is on the top place, 2 is on the ones place at the bottom. So I supposed to multiply 37 times 2, which is 74. Multiply the top digit by the digit on the tens place at the bottom. So my turn to multiply 37 times 6. Another step, start writing down that product from the tens place. Write 0 below the 1 place. We also known as a placeholder for this. So here is a representation. 37 times 62. First step, I multiply 37 times 2. I have 74. Write down the 0 on the ones place. So I write down 0 below the 4. Now 37 times 6 is a 222. I add them all. I have 2294. Pause the video and try this problem using the area model and check whether you got the same answer or not. Another strategy is a partial products, where you are working each digit by their place values and along with the second number. For example, 453 times 48. So 8 is on the ones place, 3 is on the ones place. So 8 times 3 is 24. 5 is on the tens place, 8 is on the ones place. So 50 times 8, which is 400. 8 is on the ones place and 4 is on the hundreds place. So 400 times 8 is 3200. Likewise, we will do for the 40 times 3, which is 120. 40 times 50, 2000. And 40 times 400, which is a 16,000. Add them all, you have your answer, 21,744. I'm waiting for a few minutes to just check this calculation and follow along. Here are the few practice problems to try on your own. Solve 453 times 48. You can use any strategy. I like to do area model most and distributive property that it is quicker and I don't need to memorize so many multiplication facts for them. Guess, when you're doing 453 times 48, how many rectangles you need to make? Let me know your answer in the comments below. Let's try the question number 4. This is a new type of question. For the given area model, you need to tell me which two numbers I'm multiplying or what are the two factors for the given multiplication. So for the first row, what is the common element? 18. So 18 will be on the left hand side of the rectangle. And the second row, 5 is a common. So 18 plus 5 is 23. Now let's have a look on the column. Which number is common in the first column? It's 5. So 5 is on the first column and 10 is on the second column. So 5 plus 10 is 15. So basically this area model is representing 23 times 15. Check your answer and let me know. These are the few more problems to try on. You can choose whatever the method you like and let me know your answer. Which method is most efficient you think? I personally think standard algorithm, distributive property, and area model. Here are the few more problems to try on, depending on your choice. But I would personally prefer try whatever the method is mentioned. It's little more about me. I'm a Ruby Gupta mathematics instructor. Currently, I'm a math instructor in USA with more than 9,000 hours of teaching experience. Let me know if you have any doubt in comment section below. Thanks for watching. Please do like, subscribe, and share.